Of course I'm breathless and wheeze. I've got asthma. Coughing and breathlessness are all part of living with asthma, right? Patients put up with coughing and wheezing because they wrongly assume there is nothing they can do about it. The truth is, asthma is a long-term condition, but with the right treatment, patients can lead a normal life. In patients with asthma, inflammation narrows the airways, causing breathlessness and wheezing and coughing. And if left untreated, mucus builds up, which exacerbates symptoms. Regular use of a preventer inhaler works to reduce inflammation and open up the airways. In an emergency, or to help relieve symptoms, the blue inhaler can help to relax narrowing muscles around the airways, but the relief is temporary, does not treat the underlying inflammation, and only lasts a few hours. Correct technique and the use of a spacer will help to ensure that medication reaches the airways and lungs to have maximum effect. Regular reviews, understanding a patient's history, and ongoing support are crucial. PCRS has guidance and resources to help you support your patients and blow away common myths associated with asthma and improve patient outcomes. For more information and resources, visit www.pcrs-uk.org.